So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the XPath Axes method, and the axis method which we are going to see in this particular video are ancestor and ancestor-or-self. Okay, so first let us look at the ancestor. So ancestor, it selects all the ancestors like parent, grandparent, etc. of a current or context node. Okay, so what do I mean? That if you select a particular tag or node in the DOM structure of the HTML, then this particular format of the XPath will select all the parent and grandparent of that particular node. Okay, so we will move above that particular node. Okay, and the format for this is / tag name @attribute is equals to value and / ancestor and / tag name. Okay, note that here we will use the /. If you will use the /, then it will select the children also. Okay, you can try it yourself. But if you will use the /, it will only select the ancestor and ancestor-or-self. Okay, it is same as descendant and descendant-or-self, but you can use their the /. Okay, you can use here / also if you want. It will give the same result, but here we have to be careful for the / and /. Okay, so coming on the ancestor-or-self, it selects the current or context node and all of its ancestor like parent, grandparent, if the tag name for the current node and ancestor are same. Okay, so the format goes as / tag name @attribute is equals to value and then / ancestor-or-self and then tag name. So let us practically see, only then we can understand. Theoretical things are a little bit more difficult to understand. So let's move to the website. So I have opened the sourcedemo.com, a demo website. So let us inspect this particular page. So now let us select a particular div tag. So let us select this one, let us copy this class name and then press Ctrl F and write the format. Okay, so we have to write /div and then attribute we have chosen is class is equals to value. So value we have copied and we pasted it, and you can see that the div class got selected, right? 1 of 1, it is a unique one. So now let us move to the ancestor. So /, okay, ancestor, and then we need to provide the / and div. So you can see 1 out of 2. So we have 2 ancestors of this particular login wrapper class div. Okay, you can see the first grandparent is div id is equals to root, and the second is this one. Okay, this is the parent. So let us navigate through them. You can see, okay, so these are the two this is the parent and this is the grandparent. And why this div is not selected? Because this div is in same level with this. Okay, the div class is equals to login underscore logo is in the same level with the div class is equals to login underscore wrapper. Okay, so these both are siblings, and the parent is this and the parent of parent is this. Okay, so there are two ancestors, the parent and the grandparent. If we write here ancestor or self, so you can see here that 1 out of 3 got selected, so it selected itself also. So login wrapper will also be selected. As you can see here the login wrapper got selected. So this is how we use the ancestor and ancestor-or-self. Okay, so you have to provide a / only. If you provide in case a /, then you can see 1 of 14 got selected, just because login wrapper has got a lot of div inside it, so it selected the childs also. As you can see, it will now go down also. Okay, so you have to be careful in case of the ancestor and ancestor-or-self. Okay, you have to provide a / only, then it will select the ancestors. In case of descendant, this was not the matter. Okay, let me show you. If you have seen the descendant video, so descendant div, you can see that it selected the lower one only, it did not went up. Okay, so if you provide the second / also, 1 out of 11 will remain 1 out of 11 only. You can see here 1 out of 11, and I have provided a /. Okay, so descendant work well with / as well as the /, but this is not the case with the ancestor and ancestor-or-self. Okay, so you need to provide / with ancestor. Okay, so let me again write ancestor. Okay, so or self, so you can write it like that in 1 out of 3. Okay, these 3 div got selected. If you want to select a div of your choice, then you can, again provide a square bracket and then write at the rate, and then you can provide, id is equals to root. For suppose you want to select this grandparent of this particular login wrapper, then you can write here at the rate id is equals to, root. So it got selected. Okay, so you can customize the XPath on your own and try various methods and various tricks to customize your XPath, which will help you to learn more about XPath. Okay, and that will be very helpful when you will work in the real world or the real life projects, okay, in your company or in your organization. So this is all about the ancestor and ancestor-or-self method of the XPath. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.